Maybe we should go say hi. Hey there.
Dax talked to a girl.
A girl?
He wants to marry her.
What? I didn't say that.
You said it with your eyes.
What? They must be migrating.
Migration? What a stupid idea.
Okay, you're impossible.
Because I found a safe place for us to live.
I want us to get out and see the world.
What sort of father would I be if I put my young fowl in harm's way for no reason except a chance at a Caribbean vacation?
I don't want to miss out on life because you're afraid to leave this pond.
Here we go. Tail feather torsion.
Check.
Wing deployment.
Check.
Let's fly.
The sun shining through with just a cloud.
Hey!
Why are we the only birds heading this way?
What is this place?
I promised adventure, and this is exactly what I promised.
What is that? Chocolat Orange.
What's the color orange?
It's you with L'Orange on top.
Can we land?
You're old enough to do it in the sky now. We have a number 2 situation.
Oh.
But it's gross.
Every bird does it in the sky.
What if someone is looking down there?
No one is looking down there. I told you we are not landing. There is no way we're landing.
Are you sure no one's watching?
When, Mallard? Do it now, or we leave without you.
Okay.
We are completely lost. We're trying to get to Jamaica.
Come on, lovebirds. It's this way.
Whoa, we are not flying through this crazy death trap of a city.
Just stick close to me and everything will be all right. I'm okay. Yeah, no, I'm okay. We can do this. Whoa. Ha ha! You missed, bus! Maybe don't stick too close.
Keep on surviving.